Hi everyone, this is MU's Kalvi Amudhi channel presents refresher course module 8th standard English page 69 to 72. Welcome to our class. Today's topic is reading comprehension. Dear students, we are going to learn reading comprehension in this video class. Reading comprehension is the ability to process the text, understand its meaning, and to integrate with what the reader already knows. Our first activity is given in our module to read the given passage and give answers for the questions based on this passage. Our passage is: penguins are birds that live in the coldest parts of the world. They are black with white stomachs and have small wings. They move across the ice by waddling slowly on their little feet with their wings out to the side. Surprisingly, penguins cannot fly even though they have wings. They use their wings to balance them as they waddle across the ice. Their bodies are also very good at keeping the penguin warm in the cold weather. Penguins are very good at swimming and use the strength in their bodies to move easily through the water. Penguins need to be good swimmers because they eat mostly fish and sea animals. When they catch the food, they swallow it whole. They also need to use their strong bodies to get away from seals and sharks because seals and sharks eat penguins. There are lots of different types of penguins and they come in all different sizes and shapes. We all need to make sure we take good care for our world because oil spills and global warmings can destroy the penguins' home. So this is the passage given in our module. Students, I hope you are all understood in the passage matter. Okay, now we are going to the questions part. Our first question is: where do penguins live? Penguins live in the coldest parts of the world. We move on the next question. What do penguins look like? Penguins look like black with white stomachs and have small wings. Our third question is: can penguins fly? No, penguins cannot fly. Our fourth question is: how do penguins move across the sea? Penguins move across the ice by waddling slowly on their wings out of the side. Our fifth question is: what do penguins eat? Penguins eat mostly fish and sea animals. Our sixth question is: what animals eat penguins? Seals and sharks eat penguins. The last question is: why do we need to take care of the world? We need to take care of the world because oil spills and global warming can destroy the penguins' home. Got it, children? Are you clear? Yes. Now we are going to the next activity. Read and understand the passage given above and write the summary of the passage in 3 sentences. The same penguins passage is given in our module. So we have to write the summary of this passage. Penguins are birds. It has black and white stomachs and small wings. It cannot fly. It eats fish and the sea animals. Lots of different types of there. Global warming can destroy the penguins' home. This is the summary of the passage. Okay, we have to move on the student activity 1. Read the passage below and to write it by replacing the underlined words with the synonyms from list. There are given 12 words. You have to read out the passage and replacing the underlined words, the above synonyms. Okay. Now we are going to read the passage. My father was so tired after work. He took a nap on the couch. While he was sleeping, I quietly sneaked into the kitchen and made him an ice cream. I placed it on the table next to the couch so he could eat it when he woke up. An hour later, he opened his eyes and he saw the bowl of melted ice cream on the table. Even though it was melted and no longer chill, he wanted to have it. This is the paragraph. This is the passage given in our module. Now we are replacing the underlined words with their synonyms. My dad was so tired after work. He took a sleepy on the sofa. While he was napping, I softly crept into the kitchen and made him an ice cream. I put on the table next to the couch so he would notice it when he woke up. An hour later, he opened his eyes and he saw the dish of melted ice cream on the table. Even though it was melted and no longer frozen, he liked to have it. Okay, are you clear and got it, children? You have to replace the synonyms of the underlined words. Okay. Next, we have to move on the next activity. Compare and contrast the two characters and give the moral of the story. One story is given below. Yes, it is the story. I am reading the story now. There were once two brothers who lived in the edge of the forest. The elder brother was very selfish and always treats his younger brother badly. He was very mean to his younger brother and ate up all the food and took all his good clothes. One day, the elder brother went to the forest to find some firewood to sell in the market. He went around chopping the branches of a tree after tree. Then he saw a magical tree there. The tree said to him not to cut the branches and it will give the golden apples instead. The elder brother agreed but was disappointed with the number of apples the tree gave him. Greed overcame him and he threatened to cut the entire trunk if the tree did not give him more apples. The magical tree instead showered upon the elder brother hundreds of tiny needles. The elder brother lay on the ground crying in pain. The younger brother grew worried and went in search of his elder brother. He found him with hundreds of needles on his skin. He rushed to the brother and removed each needle with love. After he finished, the elder brother apologized for treating him badly and promised to be better. The tree saw the change in the elder brother's heart and gave them all the golden apples they could ever need. So, this is the story given in our module. Are you understand that? Yes. Now, we are going to compare and contrast the characters. What are the characters are? Yes, first one is the elder brother and the younger brother. Only three characters are in the story. Elder brother, younger brother and the magical tree, apple tree. Okay. Now, we have to take the two characters, elder and younger brothers. In elder brother, characters are he was very selfish. He treated his bro badly. He was greedy. As well as the younger brother, he was a lovable person. He helped his bro. He sacrificed to his bro. Moral of this story is, don't be selfish. Forgiveness is the dignity of human being. Like this, you have to choose any story and you have read the story and compare and contrast the two characters and give the moral of the story. Our assessment part is, read the passage and answer the following questions given below. Again, you have a passage. Sita says that all of her friends have a cell phone, but Sita's mother doesn't want to buy her one. Sita's mother doesn't want Sita to play video games either. What is more, the internet scares her. Sita's mother says, if Sita has a cell phone, how do we know whom she is talking to? Video games are bad. The internet is dangerous and uncontrolled. The internet is dangerous and uncontrolled. It is like having a gun in the house. We should just ban her from using the computer, and I am not buying her a cell phone until she is 18. This is the only way we can be sure that Sita is safe. Sita's dad disagrees with Sita's mother, although he agrees that there are some dangers to it. He likes the internet and finds to be useful. He says we just cannot stop Sita from using the internet, as this would put up her at a disadvantage. What is more, I like video games. I think that when played in moderation, they are fun. Obviously, it is not good to play them without restraint or self-control. Finally, I think Sita needs a cell phone. We cannot take these things away. This is the passage given in our module. And then asking 5 questions with actions. Okay, now we are going to see the questions. First question is, which of the following statements related to Sita's mother and dad is true? Our options are, mother wants to ban Sita from using the computer while dad likes to play video games. B action is, mother thinks technology is dangerous while dad thinks it can be useful. Mother cares little about Sita's future while dad is very supportive. Fourth one, mother is very strict while dad is open-minded. I think B option is right. Mother thinks technology is dangerous while dad thinks it can be useful. The next question is, what do you think about Sita's mother and dad? Our options are, mother and dad both like technology. Mother and dad both think video games are bad. Mother and dad think internet is dangerous. Mother and dad both care about Sita's well-being. Our correct option is D. Mother and dad both care about Sita's well-being. Our third question is, in a paragraph 1, Sita's mother says, it's like having a gun in the house. She says this in order to, first option is, support the idea that internet is dangerous, reject the claim that guns can be safe if used responsibly, encourage Sita's dad to purchase a gun, explain why the internet is uncontrolled. Yes, what's the option is correct? Our D option is correct. Explain why the internet is uncontrolled. Move on the fourth one. In paragraph 2, Sita's dad says, finally I think Sita needs a cell phone. Given, what do you know about Sita's mother concerns? What is the best reason Sita's dad can provide to convince Sita's mother that Sita needs a cell phone? Our options are, Sita can use her cell phone to take to her friends instead of borrowing one of ours. Second option is, having a cell phone will teach Sita how to use technology. Third one, because of all her friends have one, it would be unfair that disallow Sita to have a cell phone. Last one is, if Sita is in trouble, she can use her cell phone to call for help. Our correct option is B. Having a cell phone will teach Sita how to use technology. Our final and last question is, Sita's mother can best be described as. Options are ridiculous, careful, cruel, rude. Correct option is careful. Today we have seen all these activities are based on the language improved skills. These are fundamental language skills. Okay, got it children? I think and hope all of you understand. We can see the remaining exercises in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. This is MU's Kalvi Amruth channel. Like, share, comment and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.